In the case of nematoda, there is some kind of coelom. So we call it a pseudocoelom. Of course, it is triploblastic, bilateral also, and there is a pseudocoelom. Now some of these worms are parasitic, like roundworm, pinworm. Now the rains are about to start, and along with the rain, which animal will come out of the soil? The earthworm. The earthworms are included in Annelida. Along with being triploblastic and bilateral, in the case of Annelida, there is a well developed coelom. So it is coelomate. It has closed circulatory system. That means blood is in the vessels. Thirdly, the body is segmented. Some of these animals are also hermaphrodite, which means they are bisexual. Excretion is by nephridia. The examples are earthworm, which is free living, and leech, which is an ectoparasite. What does ectoparasite mean? That it is parasitic outside the body, like leeches suck blood from cattle.